This is the 23-0 180 wall kit for the 180 awning. In 23-0, it comes in a nice bag for the wall kit. It's one wall, it's not sectioned walls. The kit also comes with 11 tie downs, 11 tent stakes, a bag that the tent stakes and the tie downs fit in, and then there's an extra bag with 2 poles in it that fits inside the awning. So what we're going to do today is we're going to set up the awning and we're going to set up the wall kit and show you how to do that. So this is the 23-0 180 wall. Got it mounted on the driver's side of my Tacoma. I keep the zippers on the end for the wind coming this way while you're driving. Pretty easy to set up. Flip the cover over. You get 2 tie downs with it. Pull these straps down, there's 2 of them. You take this one, just drag it around the back. I'm just going to hook it to my roof rack. And then get it cinched up. And then the next one pulls out. I'll hook this one up to my, I gotta drop my antennas. Just gonna hook this to the bumper. And then cinch that tight. That's the awning set up without the poles and without it being tied down. I'm going to go ahead and install the poles and we're going to put the wall kit on. So here's the first one. They drop down underneath here and you see there's a twist. So you just get it set up to the height you want and then you're going to twist it counterclockwise. So those are the 2 poles that come with it, and then there's 2 on the ends that come in the green bag. This can be stored in the awning. I just don't carry them up there most of the time. And they have a tip on the end that just goes through a hole. Come around, do the one in the back. So now we're going to put the wall kit on. Again, it's just one wall and it just zippers all the way around from the back to the front. find the zipper. All right, so come over here. I'm going to take this pull off just so I can get the zipper in. So you got two zippers right here, two-way. It's a one zipper, sorry, it's got two ends on it for inside and outside. So this is where you started at, it's at the front of the truck. We've only done this one time. Just go all the way around. So there's your wall kit installed, but now we got to tie everything down. So we got to stake it out, because if you look down here, see, it's just going to flap in the wind. This actually pulls out from the truck, and stake it down about right there. So you're going to get an extra 2 to 3 feet in places to stake it down, and then you can this is to roll it. I guess we can stake it out right here with the tie downs. That's what we're going to do.